Have you ever seen a mountain that seems to breathe, its very soul rising with the morning mist? Shrouded in a soft blue mist, these mountains appear almost otherworldly, as if they exist in a dream between earth and sky. This is the Great Smoky Mountains, a vast wilderness straddling the border of North Carolina and Tennessee, stretching as far as the eye can see. They're part of the ancient Appalachian Mountains, one of the oldest ranges on Earth, their roots reaching back over 200 million years. Unlike sharp young peaks, the Smokies are rounded and gentle, shaped by millions of years of wind, rain, and the slow, patient hand of time. Their age gives them a sense of wisdom and peace, a quiet strength that you can feel in the air. The Cherokee called this land Shaconage, land of the blue smoke, because of the mysterious haze that floats above the trees, a veil that has inspired legends for centuries. It's not smoke, but a natural mist, created when sunlight mixes with the moisture and organic compounds released by the dense forests, making the mountains look dreamy and full of secrets. The haze softens the ridges, turning the landscape into a living painting, where every layer of blue and green tells a different story. Every trail here leads to discovery, hidden waterfalls tumbling over ancient rocks, wildflowers blooming in secret meadows, and the quiet magic of the forest floor. Along the way, you might catch glimpses of wildlife, deer moving silently through the trees, black bears foraging, or a chorus of birdsong echoing through the valleys. The Smokies invite us to slow down, listen, and breathe in the ancient air, to reconnect with the rhythms of nature and find peace in the present moment. They are a treasure for the world, a reminder of nature's enduring beauty, and a sanctuary for all who seek wonder and renewal. Here, the Earth's oldest stories are written in stone, mist, and forest, waiting for you to discover them, one step at a time. Not long ago, the Smokies faced a very real threat from logging and rapid development. Towering trees that had stood for centuries were being felled at an alarming rate, and the wild, misty valleys risked being lost to industry forever. People who loved these mountains, locals, visitors, and conservationists, realized that if nothing was done, this unique landscape could disappear for good. They began to dream of something bold, making the Smokies a national park, a place protected for all time, where nature could thrive and future generations could experience its beauty. But unlike the vast western parks, this land was a patchwork owned by thousands of families, farmers, and companies, each with their own history and connection to the mountains. Money had to be raised to buy every acre, and the effort became a true community cause. Everyone pitched in. Even school children collected and donated pennies, showing how much these mountains meant to people of all ages. North Carolina and Tennessee, along with generous donors like the Rockefeller family, made major contributions, helping to turn the dream into reality. In 1934, after years of hard work and sacrifice, the Great Smoky Mountains officially became a national park. President Franklin D. Roosevelt himself came to dedicate the park, marking a new chapter in its history. This meant the forests, rivers, and wildlife would finally be safe from destruction. The park became a sanctuary for countless species and a refuge for the spirit. Today, the park is a living promise kept. Forests are regrowing, streams run clear, and animals like black bears, deer, and wild turkeys thrive once again in their natural home. Nature is in charge here, and the land is healing, slowly returning to the wild beauty that first inspired its protection. The park stands as a testament to what people can accomplish when they unite to protect something precious. It's a story of hope, determination, and shared responsibility. When you walk these trails, you're not just enjoying the scenery. You're part of a living legacy, a landscape that's been saved for generations to come. The Smokies are a sanctuary for wildlife and a peaceful retreat for all who visit, offering quiet moments and wild encounters. This act of preservation lets us witness the power of nature when given a chance, from blooming wildflowers to cascading waterfalls and the vibrant colors of autumn. The park is a living museum, open to everyone, a place where history, nature, and community come together, protected forever for all to enjoy. The Smokies are bursting with life. Everywhere you look, something is growing, crawling, or flying. This national park is one of the most biodiverse places in North America, home to an astonishing variety of plants and animals. The park's many elevations and abundant rain create countless habitats, from cool, misty peaks to warm, sheltered valleys. There are more tree species here than in all of northern Europe, creating a living tapestry of green that changes with the seasons. Over 200 kinds of birds fill the air with song, from tiny warblers to majestic hawks soaring overhead. The forest floor hides more than 30 species of salamanders. The park is even called the salamander capital of the world, and these secretive creatures thrive in the damp, mossy undergrowth. Fish flash in the streams, darting between rocks and fallen branches, while the cool, clear water supports a whole underwater world. Insects, butterflies, and squirrels are everywhere, busy pollinating flowers, gathering food, and adding color and movement to the forest. White-tailed deer graze in meadows, blending into the tall grass as they move quietly through the landscape. Raccoons wash food in streams, their nimble hands searching for tasty treats along the water's edge. And at night, when the forest grows quiet, owls and flying squirrels take over, gliding and hunting under the cover of darkness. Every creature, from tiny spiders spinning delicate webs to powerful black bears foraging for berries, plays a role in this web of life. Because the park is protected, its ecosystems are strong and healthy, giving rare and common species alike a safe place to thrive. This biodiversity is vital for the planet's health, helping to keep air and water clean and supporting life far beyond the park's borders. Scientists study the Smokies to learn how nature works and how to protect it, discovering new species and unraveling the secrets of this living laboratory. The park is a living library of life, thriving under the shelter of ancient mountains that have stood for millions of years. Here, nature's community is always busy, always changing, and always reminding us of the wonder and importance of wild places. The American black bear is the Smokies' most iconic resident. Nearly 1,900 bears roam the park, about 2 per square mile. Black bears are adaptable omnivores, eating plants, berries, nuts, and insects, changing their diet with the seasons. In autumn, they feast to prepare for winter's long sleep. Seeing a bear is unforgettable, but it's important to keep them wild, never feed them, and always keep your distance. The park's rules protect both bears and people. A healthy bear population means a healthy ecosystem. As top predators, their presence shows the forests are thriving. The black bear is more than an animal, it's a symbol of the wild spirit of the Smokies. Their quiet strength reminds us why this place matters. Respecting them helps preserve the untamed beauty of the park. The bear's presence is a living reminder of nature's resilience. Entering the Smokies forests is like stepping back in time. The park protects one of the largest old-growth forests in the East. Some trees here have stood for centuries, their trunks wide and towering. The air is cool and rich, sunlight filtering through a high canopy. These ancient trees shelter countless animals, woodpeckers, squirrels, and more. When they fall, they become nurse logs, feeding new life and supporting mosses and fungi. This cycle of growth and decay makes the forest resilient and diverse. Old-growth forests are rare today, making the Smokies a vital sanctuary. Walking here connects us to our planet's natural heritage. The forest is a living treasure, built over centuries. It's a reminder of the power and beauty of nature left undisturbed. Protecting these woods means preserving a piece of Earth's history. The Smokies' wildflowers are legendary. Over 1,500 species bloom here. In spring and summer, the forest floor becomes a vibrant carpet of color. Early spring brings tiny beauties like trout lilies and spring beauties, followed by waves of trilliums and Dutchman's breeches. Summer lights up the mountainsides with flame azaleas and rhododendrons. High-elevation balds and meadows burst with color, attracting butterflies and bees. Every trail offers a new palette of shapes and scents. Wildflowers are vital for the ecosystem, feeding pollinators and animals. The park's annual wildflower pilgrimage celebrates this floral abundance. The wildflowers remind us of the Smokies' delicate, intricate beauty. The Smokies' famous blue haze isn't smoke, it's nature's breath. Trees and plants release natural chemicals called VOCs, which mix with sunlight and humidity to scatter blue light. The park's dense forests and high rainfall create perfect conditions for this mist. As warm, moist air rises and cools, it forms tiny droplets, fog that clings to the mountains. The result is a shifting, magical haze that defines the landscape. In the morning, valleys fill with fog, making peaks look like islands in a sea of clouds. As the sun rises, the mist lifts, only to return at dusk. This ever-changing veil gives the Smokies their mysterious, enchanting look. The haze is a living connection between land, sky, and forest. It's a signature of the park's unique, wild character. The Smokies are for everyone. Millions visit each year to connect with nature and history. Clingman's Dome, the park's highest point, offers breathtaking views. Cades Cove preserves historic cabins and a working gristmill, showing how early settlers lived. Over 850 miles of trails lead to waterfalls, rivers, and mountain vistas. The Appalachian Trail runs through the park's heart. Visitor centers, picnic areas, and campgrounds make the park accessible to all. Scenic drives like Newfound Gap Road offer stunning views from your car. Whether hiking, biking, or relaxing, there's something for everyone. The park is a place to make memories and find peace. Here, nature and history come alive for all who visit. The Smokies are recognized worldwide, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and International Biosphere Reserve. The park's biodiversity and ancient forests are treasures for all humanity. It's a living laboratory, teaching us how to balance people and nature. There's no entrance fee, everyone is welcome, no matter their background. The park is a refuge for wildlife and for the human spirit. It's a living library and a classroom for the future. The Smokies remind us of the joy of wild places and the importance of preservation. The blue mist is an invitation to explore, learn, and cherish this gift to the world.